If we now open the list.php file, which we find under the shipping rates local, inside of this file we're going to start with the opening PHP tag, then closing. We're going to start with the shipping equals object shipping, and we go for get shipping by type zone, and we're going to pass the ID as the first parameter and ZID as the second. Then we require once the header, so underscore header.php, and after all this we can also obviously require the footer.php and close PHP tag. We start with the heading, so h1 rates for colon and echo zone name. Zone we obviously have populated, fetched earlier from the database. And then we go for the echo type name. Again, type has also been already fetched from the database, so we have all these available for us. And then we start with the form method post, class Ajax, because we want to use Ajax to submit this form, then data hyphen action equals, and the action will be echo this object URL get current, and we want to remove call parameter from the existing URL, then we false for the extension, and we're going to append, just going to close it, and we want to append call add, and then we can close this opening form tag. Inside of the form tag we're going to start with the table, cell padding 0, cell spacing 0. Again, if you've decided to do it using HTML5, obviously you can leave all these attributes, cell padding, spacing, and border. Then we have class table tbl insert, and inside of this table we start with the first table row, which will store two labels, th label for, and we have weight, and we're going to have a class here as well, valid underscore weight, then weight up to colon and start to indicate that it's a mandatory field, and I'm just going to copy this entire line, paste it underneath, rather than weight this time is cost, and the same valid underscore cost, and we're talking about the cost. We can actually remove this up to. So these are our labels. Then another table row which will contain our input fields, so td, inside of the first one input, and let's put the attributes on the new lines. Let me scroll a little bit. Type equals text, then we have name equals weight, then we have the ID weight as well, then we have class FLD small, and then we can close our input tag. If we copy this entire table cell, paste it underneath, change the weight to cost and cost ID as well, and then the last table row with td colspan 2, because there will be only one table cell here, and we go for label for btn underscore at class sbm underscore blue fl underscore l to float to the left. Then we have input type submit, and the ID will be btn at class btn and the value at, and then closing input tag. Now after the form we create the dividing line, so div class dev br underscore td, and let's do non-breakable space here. After that, div with the ID shipping list, and inside of the shipping list we simply echo the plugin get, and we go for admin, directory separator shipping cost, which we haven't got yet. We'll create this file soon, then we close it, and the parameters we're going to be sending will be rows equals shipping, then object URL equals this object URL. And that's everything inside of this file.